How to access template gallery in Google Docs. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser, and then in here we'll have to tap on this menu icon. After that, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this Docs option. So in here, there are two ways for you to access the template gallery. The first one is by simply tapping on this template gallery option. After that, it will automatically show you different templates from CVs, letters, personal, or work. Another way of accessing the template gallery is if you have already a document. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on this one. And then in here, for example, you suddenly want to access the template gallery. What you need to do is to go on top, tap on this file option, and then in here, tap on this new option. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here, and then tap on this from template gallery. After that, it will automatically redirect you to your template gallery. So that's how easy we can access the template gallery in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.